guys, so I'm going to tell you how I did this Christmas ornament in this video. For this we need wood slices. I picked up this from Amazon. I bought 46 wood slices for about 15 bucks. They're pretty much good quality. You can pick it up from Artisa site or from Amazon. It was sold out in Artisa, so I picked it up from Amazon. Artisa quality is much better, I think. And then you need this string of thread. I got this together. It came in the same package. And then to start painting you need acrylic paint. So I used metallic acrylic paints, gold and purple royal. I used a bunch of colors actually. Play around, make your own galaxy colors, it's going to be fun. I also used normal acrylic colors as well. For brushes, I made use of acrylic specific brushes like these are Simply Simon's that I picked up from Michael's. And then for spraying the white dots that you see here, the stars, I used this rough edged brush. I picked up this from Amazon again. I also made use of some detail brushes by Craft Ammo size 0 and flat angular brushes to make this base. So what I did to start off with is, you can see in the video, I painted this wood slice with black colored paint first to begin with, and then I added up and piled on some colors to make it look like a galaxy this way. So let's start. Once you add resin, it takes about 72 hours for it to set. And at the back of the ornament, I painted this side with silver acrylic paint. You can go ahead and make some design even here, or you can paint something over here as well. And then I tied it up with this string, and then this is how it looks now. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you create something similar to this. Do follow me on Instagram and Facebook. Do subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you.